previous video pari aji ame dekhibo how to get 0 to 9 by using 30 by using 30 ame 0 ru 9 vitare samast value ko calculate karibu kemiti ta dekhiba asu to dekhiba okay let's see the video. Zero plus zero plus zero equal to zero. Zero factorial plus zero equal to 1. Zero factorial plus zero factorial plus zero equal to 2. Zero factorial plus zero factorial plus zero factorial equal to 3. Zero factorial plus zero factorial whole square plus 0 equal to 4. 0 factorial plus 0 factorial whole square plus 0 factorial equal to 5. 0 factorial plus 0 factorial plus 0 factorial whole to the power factorial equal to 6. 0 factorial plus 0 factorial whole to the power 3 minus 0 factorial equal to 7. 0 factorial plus 0 factorial to the power cube plus 0 equal to 8. Now 0 factorial plus 0 factorial plus 0 factorial whole to the power square equal to 9. So by using 30 we get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 0 factorial means 1. So by using 3 zeros we get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So एमिति का वीडियो देखिया भाई आम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु और लाइक शेयर कमेंट करबा पई जमा भी भूलिबे नहीं। धन्यवाद।